In South Africa, high maternal and child mortality rates are recognized as part of the quadruple burden of disease that challenges our healthcare system. Preeclampsia, a condition unique to human pregnancy, is one of the most serious complications of pregnancy and is a major contributor to maternal and neonatal morbidity and mortality. Globally, preeclampsia is responsible for 70,000 maternal deaths and over 500,000 perinatal losses every year. It's estimated that for every preeclampsia-related death, there are between 50 and 100 women who experience significant illness associated with preeclampsia. This burden is largely shouldered in the developing world, with most preeclampsia deaths occurring in these countries. This is a challenge that South Africa and the global health community cannot afford to ignore. The Preeclampsia Research Unit was established to reduce the mortality and morbidity of preeclampsia in South Africa and globally. Over the past 12 years, together with local and leading international collaborators, we've built a world-renowned research unit. Our work is focused on improving how preeclampsia is understood, predicted, prevented, and treated. The Preeclampsia Research Unit has three main divisions. Firstly, it's home to the Preeclampsia Obstetric Adverse Event Biobank, known as a PROVE Biobank. Secondly, we run preeclampsia intervention trials to test novel therapeutics to prevent and treat preeclampsia. Thirdly, we promote evidence-based medicine by working with international organizations, including the Cochrane Library and the World Health Organization, to update and publish important systematic reviews and meta-analyses. The PROVE Biobank is the largest biobank of its kind globally. We include women with the most serious life-threatening complications of preeclampsia, as well as controlled pregnancies. We collect demographics, medical information, symptom scores, and outcome data for both the mother and child. Samples include maternal serum, saliva, cerebrospinal fluid, cord blood, and placental samples. Special investigations include cerebral autoregulation studies, magnetic resonance imaging of the maternal brain and heart, echocardiography, fetal ultrasound, ophthalmic artery Doppler studies, endothelial dysfunction and vascular resistance studies, and detailed placental analyses. PROVE Biobank is also home to a multitude of sub-studies led by postdoctoral, PhD, and MMed students. Through the PROVE Biobank, we aim to validate and discover novel biomarkers, improve the understanding of disease mechanisms, phenotype and understand risk factors to predict preeclampsia complications, and ultimately identify which women are at risk for complications so that we can provide targeted treatment. Our research unit also runs consecutive randomized controlled trials for the treatment of preeclampsia. We're currently running our third treatment trial to assess novel treatments to prolong preterm preeclampsia. We've recruited 384 out of the 500 women, making this the largest trial in the world. We are running a preeclampsia prevention intervention trial at 4 sites across South Africa, where we aim to recruit 1,800 women at high risk of developing preeclampsia. In addition, we're running a first-in-pregnancy trial assessing new treatments for preeclampsia and fetal growth restriction. If any of these therapeutics works, it could change how preeclampsia is managed globally. It is a tremendous honor to be selected as the South African Medical Research Council Extramural Research Unit. This award will support our ongoing efforts to discover new therapeutics and diagnostics for preeclampsia. It will support us to promote evidence-based medicine, and it will enable us to continue to support the next generation of researchers. Thank you.